Welcome to our lesson. In this lesson, we will analyze the simple past into two parts, with to be and without to be.
In the simple past, the verb to be has only two forms, was and were. We use these forms to describe situations, states, or characteristics in the past. The verb to be changes depending on the subject. Use was with I, he, she, it. Example, I was tired. She was at home. It was cold yesterday. Use were with you, we, they. Example, you were late. We were happy. They were at school. In the simple past tense, was not and were not are commonly contracted to wasn't and weren't, respectively. To make a negative sentence, add not after was or were. I was not, wasn't, hungry. They were not, weren't, at the party. To ask a question, switch the order of was, where, and the subject. Was she at home? Were you tired yesterday? Talk about past states or conditions. I was happy yesterday. She was tired after work. Describe past locations. They were at school this morning. He was in Paris last summer. Talk about past identities or professions. My grandfather was a doctor. We were students 5 years ago.
Are you ready? Test yourself again. Are you ready? Go!